Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the China jump smash. First, ensure you have a relaxed forehand grip, allowing for maximum wrist pronation. Your non-racket foot should be slightly forward, providing a stable base for the jump. Maintain constant visual contact with the shuttlecock as it approaches. This initial setup is crucial for generating power and accuracy in your smash. Focus on a fluid, coordinated movement from the ground up. Next, we focus on the jump and body rotation. Push off the ground with both feet, aiming for a vertical leap of about 12 to 18 inches. As you ascend, rotate your torso and shoulders backward, coiling your body like a spring. Simultaneously, raise your racket arm high, ensuring your elbow points directly at the shuttlecock. This powerful rotation is key to transferring energy into your shot, maximizing the smash's velocity and angle. Now for the critical contact point and follow-through. Aim to strike the shuttlecock at the absolute highest point of your jump, ideally about 2 to 3 feet above your head. As you make contact, pronate your forearm and wrist forcefully, snapping the racket head downwards. This action generates immense power and a steep angle. Complete the shot with a smooth follow-through across your body, landing softly and maintaining your balance for the next shot. To master the China jump smash, consistent practice is essential. Begin by practicing the footwork and jump timing without a shuttlecock, focusing on the coordinated body movement. Emphasize generating explosive power from your legs and core, not just your arm. Repeat the entire motion consistently, aiming for at least 20 to 30 repetitions per session. This dedicated practice will build crucial muscle memory and refine your technique for a powerful and effective smash.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.